before, after, before, after, before, after. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe and support this channel. This preset link in the description. So let's get started. At first select the picture. Go to light. Exposure -0.21. Contrast +10. Highlights 57. Shadows +92. Whites -26. Blacks +36. Go to curve. White. Go to red color. Go to green color. Go to blue color. Go to color mix. And done. Go to color. Go to grading. Slide down. Shadows. Hue 46. Saturation 11. Blending 100. Glance 55. Slide up. Go to next grading. Midtones no work. Slide down. Highlights. Hue 71. Saturation 6. Slide up. And done. Go to effects. Texture +10. Clarity -12. Dehaze -9. Slide down. Go to detail. Sharpening 28. Noise reduction 16. Slide down. Color noise reduction 25. Go to profiles. Slide down. Select Modern 7. Modern 7 by 120. Undone. Go to 3-dot icon. Copy setting. Undone. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Go to next picture. Go to 3-dot icon. Paste setting. Before. After. Now complete your preset.